guys, so I've got a really basic, it's more like a tip more than anything else, and it is how to pick up excess water from your paper surface. So the first thing we need is some water on the paper surface, and there's a few ways you can do this. So I'm just going to put a really wet little wash there. So our next step, you want a paper towel. We need to make this brush thirsty. To do that, you clean it out using your water, and then you dab it. You don't want to use a dry brush. You want to use a thirsty brush. And this one is soaking up just loads of the paint. So let's try that again. And if you're working with the same color, you don't even really need to rinse it out if you don't want to. And if you drag out too much water, it's going to really leave a white mark like there, but you can just kind of gently pick it up. Now this is a squirrel hair brush. We're going to try this now with a synthetic. I'm going to switch over to some black watercolor. So we've got Daniel Smith's Lunar Black, and we were using Daniel Smith's Undersea Green to begin with. Alright, we've got a nice wet, lot of water on there. Go ahead, dab our brush off, and that will absorb the excess water as well. And then I'm going to show you another method. And using a paper towel, I recommend one that doesn't have a lot of texture. You can just dab your paper towel into the still wet paint to lift up some of your paint, lighten some areas. I use this frequently on washes when I'm trying to lift up an excess of paint from the face. So those are two very easy, very simple watercolor techniques for lifting. I hope you guys found that helpful, and I hope you guys will check out some more of my mini watercolor tutorials here on this channel.